Alright, so I've hijacked Danny's camera. I've given him the tour of Manly Beach. We're just testing out the max lens mod now. See how it goes. Is there any fisheye in over here or here? There shouldn't be. And how's the audio? So I've only got you about 80 centimeters away from my face. We're using the max, the media mod and the max lens mod.
Okay, so I really wanted to make this video today because the video that I posted yesterday, the E-Glide scooter review with Scott Davies, well, we did some testing with the GoPro Max Lens mod, and a lot of those shots were on there, and they're amazing. So I really wanted to highlight my experience with this GoPro Max Lens mod. I want to make a more in-depth video on it and got some more cool things to do with it, but first I just wanted to show you this, just in case you're on the fence. I don't work for GoPro, I don't get paid if you buy one or not. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So I was with my YouTuber friend Scott Davies shooting a video, and we were talking about the Max Lens mod, and he was like, I don't know if I would ever need that. So I gave him the GoPro with the Max Lens mod on it, and I said, have fun.
Alright, so I've hijacked Danny's camera.
And then I got the footage back and I sent it to him. And well, take a look at this. One of the cool things about this is it has horizon leveling. That way if we speed it up, it actually looks pretty cool. It doesn't look shaky. But then also it's shot in 50 frames per second, so you can slow it down 50%, and it looks great. So let's look at it back to normal. Let's slow it down 50%. Now let's speed it up over 400%. And even when I was using it on the scooter, you could just see how bumpy the road was on my scooter, yet the GoPro stayed perfectly balanced. It was almost like it was being shot with a gimbal. So after I sent him the footage, I got a message from him showing me that he actually just ordered one of these because he liked it so much. He even took that footage and made a little advertisement on his channel for that board. So yeah, Hypersmooth is amazing. The boost to the Hypersmooth is amazing, but there's something magical about the Max Lens mod, and I'm a fan. Now, on the way back, we actually went over the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and I took the GoPro and stuck it out the window with the Max Lens mod on, and I wanted to show you some of that footage. So we're gonna play that in a second. But if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. It helps the channel grow. Also, if you can hit that thumbs up button, that would be awesome. And then also down in the description, you can check out some various links to my music channel, the podcast channel, and some of the gear that I use. But like I said, do what you want. I'm just here to share the experience. So check out this footage.